You are planning the deployment of a containerized workload to an Azure App Service API app called API-1, with your project source code residing in a GitHub repository. Your workload needs an API key at runtime to communicate with a backend service. The requirement is to ensure this API key is never exposed in the source code repository or stored in the Git commit history, while still making it available to your container during execution.
The proposed solution is to store the API key in Azure Key Vault and reference it from an app service application setting. The question asks, does this solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. To analyze this, consider how Azure App Service manages application configurations and how it integrates with external security services to handle sensitive information.
I believe the correct answer is yes. This solution is the standard and most secure approach for handling sensitive data. By storing the API key in Azure Key Vault and creating a Key Vault reference in the App Service application settings, you ensure the value remains external to your code. This method uses a specific syntax to point to the vault secret, meaning the actual key value is never hard-coded into your source files or configuration.
Because the reference is resolved at runtime, the sensitive information does not enter your Git repository or commit history, fulfilling the security requirement perfectly. The alternative, such as hard-coding the key, would violate security best practices by exposing credentials to anyone with access to the source code. An important exam tip is to remember that Key Vault references allow the app to consume these values as environment variables, which is a seamless integration.